Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Australia to India through Remitly. So here's a simple guide and an easy workaround for that. So step 1, open the Remitly app or go to the Remitly website. Then step 2, sign in or create a Remitly account with your details. Then step 3, you have to select Australia as the sending country and India as the receiving country. Then step 4, enter the amount of money you want to send. Choose a delivery method, usually bank deposit or cash pickup in India. Then step 6, you have to enter your recipient full name, bank account details or pickup details. Then step 7, select your payment method, which can be your debit card, credit card or bank transfer. Then step 8, you have to review details carefully and confirm your transfer. So you can as well track your transfer in the Remitly app until the money arrives, and that's how you can successfully send money from Australia to India using Remitly. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more video guide.